Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. So this is my slightly schmutzed up black matte canvas, and I'm going to add some colors to it, starting with some medium black, which wasn't really necessarily my initial plan, but it is now. And I'm going to add some more colors. And I'm going to make sure that I smooth these. In different places. Maybe a little bit more. Especially on the schmutzy spots. I've got some interference gold, as long as it's open. And I think I'll start there. Maybe a little more. I think I'm going to go out from the inside in. I've got some blue interference next. And the thinner it is, the faster it'll dry, which is not a bad thing in my opinion. I'm going to try some orange. Can I get some saffron going before I do anything else? If I put the Anita's white metallic down and let it dry, I'm sure I'd have a better result than trying to use it wet. I do have some purple, some violet interference, and that might be nice. I'm going to go back over my places that are starting to dry with the red violet. That'll be contrasty. That can't be a bad thing. See if I can grab the the violet interference in a second. And it came right to hand. I'm thinking I could just keep going and have fun. This is a puddle that does not belong though. Let's try it. I'm nervous. Still doesn't really want to come out. I really like the blue. I really kind of feel like going back to that again. I like the combination. Gotta remember to keep my brush clean. Boy, the gold and the orange is pretty cool together. But I love that blue. I'm kind of thinking maybe I should let it dry in between. See what I can get away with. At least I can see the blobs. I'm not sure if I like the saffron more or the orange crush more, but I don't have as much orange crush as I want, that's for sure. So I'm thinking about just doing it again. Now that just makes me want to go back and use more saffron again. But I still have a nice puddle right here. I suppose a little more saffron isn't going to hurt. I never did do the Tickled pink. I might want to try that. I like the saffron too so much. It's sort of calling to yellow now, which is bordering on a rainbow effect. That might or might not be what I want to do. But I think what's going to happen is it's going to dry some. Oh, I've got Spring Wisteria. That might dry kind of darker too. I am sure that I like to play. And sometimes texture can be the saving grace of everything. And I'm going to use it to its full effect if possible. I've got just enough time to do this, I think. I'm using the short side. I'm trying to use my residuals, especially where the paint's already dried and I can't do anything with it. Unexpected fun. That's what this is. And I could come back in tomorrow with black. that's kind of fun for right now. Thank you for joining me. Please share a thumbs up and subscribe. Choose all when you click the bell if you're going to help me out. If you're interested in a certain method, I have a wide assortment of playlists sharing different methods. Please watch as much of my video as possible to positively affect the algorithm. easpbgallery@gmail.com is my email address to inquire about a private class or the purchase of artwork. Please feel free to ask questions. They're always welcome. My channel survives with the assistance of channel memberships and PayPal donations, and I want to send a huge thank you out to all my supporters.